Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you need to establish a remote desktop connection on your Linux machine, AnyDesk provides a seamless, natively supported application for Ubuntu. I will show you exactly how to download the package and install it using the terminal right now. Let's get started. First, we need to grab the official installation file directly from the developer. Open your web browser and navigate to anydesk.com. Go to the Downloads section, select the Linux operating system, and choose the Debian or Ubuntu 64bit.deb package. Click Download and ensure you save this file directly into your standard downloads folder for easy access. Next, we will use the command line to properly unpack the software and automatically handle any required system dependencies. Open your terminal by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T simultaneously on your keyboard. Type cd downloads and press Enter to navigate to your folder. Then type sudo apt install /AnyDesk and press the Tab key to autocomplete the rest of the file name. Press Enter, type in your administrator password, and hit Y to confirm the installation. Finally, once the terminal process finishes and returns you to the standard command prompt, the software is fully integrated into your system. You can now close the terminal and click on the Show Applications grid in the bottom corner of your Ubuntu desktop. Simply search for AnyDesk and click the red application icon to launch it. Your 9-digit ID will immediately appear, and you are ready to start routing remote connections. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.